Good morning, folks. Letting the dogs out. It's still dark. It's 6 o'clock in the morning, and we are getting up and getting ready to head over to Mecum auctions in Kissimmee. There's Chloe. Good morning, Chloe. Chloe indeed. Go ahead, go potty. Anyway, they're I'll come out. Yeah, she won't go out. So anyway, we're getting ready to go. It's gonna be our first day. It's actually day 3 of the auction, but we're gonna head over there. It's 2025, and we'll get some coffee here real quick. We'll be out of here. It takes about an hour and a half to get over there, and we will see you when we get there. But just wanted to say good morning, and this is day 1 for us, but day 3 of the auction, of the 10 days that they're going to be there. All right, we'll see you when we pull into Kissimmee.
So welcome to another episode of Junkyards and Barn Finds with Sean, and I'm Sean.
Alright guys, we are starting to pass everything in Osceola Park in Kissimmee, Florida. So you can see all these tents, all these cars, all this stuff. This is all the auction. This is all the auction right here. So we're going to go through all these tents. We're going to get video of everything here, and we're going to go and get video of the bidding. A lot of these tents here are stuff that's already been sold and waiting to be picked up. So we'll see you inside. I hope you enjoy. All right guys, good morning. We're entering Mecum at the gate. We're going to go in and get our bidders our bidder credentials, and we're going to head into the auction. It already started. We got here a little late thanks to all the traffic, and then we're going to go and check out all the cars. So we're going to go get our credentials, and we'll meet you inside. All right guys, we got our bidders pass and guest pass, so we are now heading in to Mecum's world's largest collector car auction. So let's shoot, I didn't grab my map. So, where is the auction happening at the moment?
The auction is happening in this building right here to my left. The one, big, really big building.
The real big one. Okay, yeah. Thank you.
Would you like a map?
Oh yeah. Look at this, we can get a map.
Absolutely. Gives you all the different zones and lots, and you guys came in through gate A, and then there goes the bidder seating area right there, which is that building right there for you.
All right, awesome.
Perfect. Thank
you so much.
All right guys, so there's 4,500 cars here for sale. Displays on there, so they even have buses, trucks, all that stuff there. And then we're just gonna go through, oh yep, look at a yellow Corvette. So we're going to go through every one of these buildings like we did before. We've gone through these buildings before. And so, but first we're going to go in where the bidding has already started, and we will see you inside. Hey guys, how you doing? We're still at the Mecum auction. This is Kissimmee 2025. We've been here for the last couple of years. So we're going to go and take a look at some of the cars for sale. As you can see, here's some BMWs, there's Corvettes, everything else. We're going to look at the muscle cars while we're here, because that's what our channel looks at, is all the muscle cars and the classics. So come along with us today.
Unlimited 30 pound.
All right, guys, we just got in here, and we could sit anywhere. I mean, we could sit right there, I think. But anyway, I'm going to be moving around. I'm going to be doing video.
24 pounds, yes sir. 25 pounds without a knife. 24 pounds without a bid. 25 pounds.
So we're on the floor. I don't have any reason to bid right now. All right, guys, we are heading out here to see what's coming in.
Now 31, 31, 31, 31, 30 pounds out of it, 31 pounds there, 33 pounds out of there, now 33 pounds out of it, 34 pounds out of it, 34 pounds out of 4, 5, 35 pounds out of it, 34, 35 out of it, 35 pounds out of it, 34, 35 pounds off, 6, 35, 36, 37, 37 pounds out of it, 37 pounds out of it.
Oh, that looks like my old black one right there. That's 197 Shelby. All right, this is a no reserve, and this is the GMC Jimmy. So this is similar to my 79 GMC Jimmy that I had. Mine was, of course, gold and black. No reserve. I think it's an 86. It's a sweet, sweet, sweet. Let's take a look over here real fast.
7, 7, 7, 8, 8, 9, 9, 29, 28, 29, 49.
So a 2006, no reserve, 2006 Ford GT Heritage Edition. 71 miles on this thing. And a 2019 GT, 19 miles on this one.
She wants it, go ahead, sir. Get 32, 5, 33, 5, 33, 5.
Check it out, guys. These two GTs, really sweet. No reserve. Hey guys, we are right here at the setup area prior to them bringing the cars in for bid at the 2025 Kissimmee Mecum auction. This is day 3. So I think I'm gonna bid on a couple C3s, see if we can get a couple C3s. There's some no reserve ones. That's kind of what I'm looking for, but if something else passes, I will vote on, we'll kind of bid on those. And that's what we're doing. It's about 10 o'clock. It's about 40 degrees here in Florida. It is freezing. So we'll show you what we have. If you guys want to check out all the videos, we will probably be putting about 20 videos up today from Mecum. Here's the one we were looking at. No reserve. So it looks like the Independence, kind of. Stars and Bars paint job. No reserve on this car. It's a Texas car. Do you know what when this line goes?
It's gonna be a little while.
Okay.
101's that one will go first.
That line goes first. Okay, thanks. Hey guys, how you doing? Yep. So there's a creamsicle Corvette here, and it's a 73 creamsicle. So I don't know what the reserve is on this one. I'm definitely gonna bid on that one. So I kind of like that one. It looks like Vice Grip Garage's Independence Chevelle. So we're gonna bid on that one. I don't know about this one. '73 soft nose. It's got chrome bumper. That's a pretty car. All right. Here's a GT350 Shelby. Is this Shelby or just GT? Just a GT350. It's not a Shelby. It's just a GT350. No reserve on this one either. Lots of pretty cars here, lots of cool trucks. '68 Chrysler 300 convertible. .440 motor.
At 12,000, you're gonna get 13,000. You're gonna get 13 at $13,000 Ford. Drive it away, no reserve at $13,000 bid.
All right, Melissa, you're here. So for everybody on Melissa's, why is there no videos of the dogs up today?
Because I'm at the Mecum auction with Sean, looking at
The Corvette that we wanted went for a little bit more than we wanted.
Yeah, went for about 14 or 15. I can't remember.
Yeah. So we're down here.
It's been a great day.
So anyway, did you have a good time today?
I did. I had a great time.
So is it better to come as a bidder or just as somebody?
Oh, it was a bidder all day long.
Jamar's got his bid, 28. Iron David at 8,000. Iron David at 28. Have another bid. Now 9. Now 29. Now 29. 29,000 another bid. 28's bid. 29. Just give 29, sir. Find out what happens. Give 29. 29. That beautiful 300ZX Turbo for $29,000. 29. 29. Last call, but it is. You want to get 29,000 another bid. Another bid at 999. Hey, how about 28.5? I know you gave me that half bid last time. Let's see if it works this time. 28.5. 28.5. Last call. I have 28,500 another bid. Another bid at 85 and a half. Listen, I got 28.5. Close bid at $28,000. We are not far away.
Now offering E185.1 to 2024 Ford F-150 pickup, a professional build with 2,800 miles showing on the odometer, a 5-liter Whipple supercharged Coyote V8 automatic.
Yeah, and continue, I'm going to go 14 to a 14,500 bid. I'm going to get 14 down so far. 14.5. Get 5 here down. I'm going to go 5. I'm going to go 5. Get 14 to bid. 14,500. 14.5. And now 5.
Hey guys, we're at Mecum auction. They got GTOs going in. They got SS Camaros going in. They got classic cars. They got Corvettes. They got Porsches. They got hot rods. They got Volkswagen buses. They got Land Rovers. Every single thing they have is going to be auctioned off today. We're here. We got bidding numbers. We're going to see what we can get. So please watch our channel. Watch our shorts. Subscribe if you want to see all the videos we're putting up. You'll be really happy you did. Should they subscribe to this channel even if they don't like cars today for this one?
Probably just for this one.